Hello guys, and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be going over how to fix Dune Awakening not launching, and let's get straight into the video. So if you have it installed through Steam, you can go ahead and make your way over to Steam, look for library. Once you find Dune Awakening, go ahead and right click on it and hit properties, and then go ahead and make your way over to installed files. Now from installed files, you can go ahead and choose the verify integrity of game files, and what this basically does is that it just checks to see if there are any corrupt files, and it will fix that issue if there are. Now that is the first solution for this issue. Now the second solution you guys can try doing is by going over to the search bar, typing in device manager, then making your way over to display adapters, right clicking on your GPU, hitting update driver, and then go ahead and choose search automatically for drivers. Now this is one way of updating your drivers. Another way is by going over to the NVIDIA app directly or the AMD equivalent app. And what you can do is go ahead and make your way over to drivers, and then go ahead and choose any download, choose download if there is an update available. And then I highly recommend restarting your PC right after. Now another thing you guys can do is in game, go ahead and just turn down your graphics settings. It is very possible that your PC is not able to handle the highest or the max settings, so you can go ahead and try turning that down, and you can also check to see if that helps fix the issue. Now once you do all of these methods, you guys should be good to go, and that is it for the video. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.